Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel and it's a stationery haul video and it's a mini stationery haul. As you guys know, Corona's second wave is there, so in each city there are some restrictions to go out. And yeah, I got these stationery from the local shop only, and these are not very much. Let me show you. Yeah, so here they are, few materials which I urgently needed them as my stationery was on extent to finish. So yeah, let's get started with each description. So I got them up from the local shop and I got them very difficultly, but I got them up. First of all, I got these spiral registers for my class notes and two spiral registers. I love to write in spiral register, very comfortable to write, and yeah, you can fold it very easily. And next I bought two blank paged copies for making formula listing, notes, flowcharts and diagrams. I love to use these copies also. These are also in spiral only. Next, moving on is my small reminder diary, and yeah, as you guys know that I use these kinds of diary, but I thought I had it, but I thought ki I'm getting it so I could get it up. I because there is no can't say about the situation, so I bought it up for the extra. So it's my reminder diary in which I write my targets in the morning. So it's colorful, it's pretty much good and very pretty. So next, moving on is my craft ideas, means craft papers and yeah, some decorative materials. Actually, I'll use them up for craft, for making craft, and yeah, I also got them up for decorating my DIY handmade sketch pen holders or small pen holders. So these are very colorful, I like them up, and yeah, I got them up. uh, Quite difficulty in getting them back. Now these spongy balls are very nice, very amazing. I love craft, I love decorating things. Moving on, next are my very important, very necessary and urgently needed my pens, pencils. I love to use colorful pens. I got pink pens very difficultly. Earlier also I went out in the market, but I didn't got them up. Few black pens and few blue pens. I like to use ball pens only. And these are pink pens. I love to use them in my notes making. Yeah, let me show you the next thing, and let me show how it works. I love the color, I love the gradient, its texture, it's too smooth. Let me show you how it works. It's means quite amazing. You guys have also seen me using this pink color pen in my while making my notes. Now next is a small spiral diary. I got it for planning or writing anything. I just liked it, so I just bought it. Next are my sketches. Actually, I had earlier very small sketch pen, which I found difficulty in finding my pen holder, so I bought them some large one. Let me try it out how it's working. I use these pens to mark the heading in my class notes and making notes. So yeah, they are working nice. Let me try the red shade, how it's working. It's nice, but it's quite light in color. Red, only the red shade. So yeah, I'm writing my channel's name. Oh yeah. Do not forget to subscribe the channel for more videos, for more study vlogs, fun vlogs, and many more. So yeah, I like them up. Now moving next. What's there? Yeah, these paper clips. I just need them very eagerly. And yeah, I got them up, and let me show you how they looks. U-shaped paper clips. And do you know why, guys, I bought them up? Actually, free papers, and actually I made printouts of my DPPs. So combining each chapter DPPs, they are very useful. Combining free papers, A4 size sheets, it is very easy to clip them up. Let me show you. Notes management, your material management becomes easy while using this. So yeah, here it goes like this. It's amazing. I just love to use this. I never had used them up, but because I started using these free papers for my DPPs, I print them out because I think it's a bit more comfortable to me. So yeah, to manage them up, it's a very nice thing. So I bought them. This packet has around 40 to 50 clips, and these are very nice. So next I'm showing you is my DIY sketch pen holder, which I made it, you know guys, from what? A waste face wash bottle. I just cut that out from the half, and yeah, I just kept, I as I told you, I had mini sketch pens, so it had very difficulty in finding them up in my sketch, in my pen holder, which is I think so for large pen. So it's very difficult to find them up in this. So I was searching for an alternate, so I thought why not to make a DIY for that. So yeah, its decorated form will be there on the screen. I'll decorate it and will put the picture there. So yeah guys, this was all about my mini stationery haul, which I bought in lockdown very difficultly, but yeah, I got them up. So registers, pens, sketch pens, paper clips, some craft materials, specifically importantly my pens, then pencils, and yeah, I got these up. To-do list diary, reminder diary. Yeah, so this was the stationery haul, and it was not so huge. It was just a baby little stationery haul. And yeah, I also showed you my DIY sketch pen holders. So let me show you how they are totally like. So this is my mini stationery haul, and I bought them up in the lockdown. So hope you guys like the video.